Hey, what's up guys, Maghaz here. And today I've got something super important for you. If you've been struggling with Windows 11's built-in recorder not working, don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to fix it, step by step, so you can get back to recording in no time. No more waiting, let's dive straight into the solution. First things first, we're gonna open the Windows 11 screen recorder by pressing Windows plus Shift plus R together. You should see two buttons pop up, one for taking screenshots and the other for recording videos. But if you're like me and that video button is giving you trouble, don't panic. We're gonna fix that right now. First things first, click on the Start button and open your settings. In the search bar, type Features and click on Add Optional Features. Next, click on View Features and here, type Media Feature Pack. Now, in my case, it's not showing up because I've already installed it to fix my problem. But for you, once it appears, download and install it. After it's done, make sure to restart your PC, and just like that, the issue should be resolved. I hope this solution worked for you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. And remember, this is the only channel that actually provides you with real solutions, while others just waste your time. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.